Hey guys, Stephanie from GDC. I'm chatting with Gabriel from Neonable, and he's talking about his game Bootleg Systems. So tell us, what have you brought to GDC and what's the game about?
So we're really happy to be with Intel at GDC to show our game Bootleg Systems, which is a first-person shooter and puzzle platformer for PC and consoles. So if you've played games like Portal and Half-Life, this is the game you've been waiting for. So the game is about using only one gun, the clone gun, and with that gun you can fire anything you want. So instead of firing bullets, you can fire 3D objects. So if you scan a chair, then that chair becomes your ammunition and you can fire chairs. If you scan bananas, then you can fire bananas. And so you can use these different objects to use as projectiles to destroy enemies, to use as platforms to overcome obstacles, or to use as keys to solve puzzles. So Bootleg Systems really is a nice and satisfying mix of shooting, platforming, and puzzle solving.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So how has Intel kind of played a role in your journey to get the game here?
Yeah, Intel played a great role in our journey because, I mean, optimization of the game is part of every game project, every game development journey. And so, with the help of Intel, through the many people we've been working with at the company, they've really been supporting us by providing us with a lot of great advice and also with the hardware that we need to test our game so that we can optimize it in-house. And then after that, providing us with the opportunity to test it in their labs. And so we're really happy to say that we received the official Intel certification this summer. So it's something that we're really excited about to tell everyone, so that our game is state-of-the-art optimized for every platform.
Well, congratulations. I'm really happy to have you guys here at the show. And then also, tell me a little bit about your personal style, because it is very eccentric. What are the gloves for? What's with the thing? You look great. Need to know. Please tell me.
Thank you. So, I mean, I think you know that there's so many games out there, and it's important to stand out. So our game takes place in 1982. So, I mean, it's all about the 80s vibe and experience. And as the founder of the studio and the creator of the game, I also need to show that vibe when I'm talking to people I'm networking with and I'm meeting at GDC.
Very cool. Well, get ready, get noticed, get big, right?
That's right, exactly.
Cool. Well, where can people go to learn more about your game?
So if you want to learn more about Bootleg Systems, go to bootlegsystems.com, or if you want to learn more about our studio, go to neonable.com. And if you want to connect with us on social media, we'd be more than happy to have you. Thank you.
All right, I like it. High five. Thanks for chatting with me. And remember to check out the links provided for all those great resources. Gabriel, you're awesome. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a little comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows.